Guys, I forgot to mention one thing before this real quick. The guy that owns this works on a farm. So, it reminded me of a joke. How does a farmer get a girlfriend? A tractor. Anyways, let's get into the repair. Hey guys, my name is Max. Welcome to my movie channel. Today we're going to be replacing this stop-start switch because it's acting a little finicky. So, let's do it. Twist these so that they're going that way to get that floor mat. Boom, boom, boom. Now take this lower panel off. Lord of mercy. ¿De buena? No, estoy bien. Nada. No tengo dinero. Aquí no. Alright, so that panel comes off. Now this one also comes off. Alright. Pull up on this. This one's kind of secondary. I don't think you really have to, but I like to take it. Then get some of this rubber out of the way and then pull this off. Alright, next you want to get this guy off. Hold on. Now, make sure you don't hit your head. And now, you guys can see this panel here. This comes off. Hold on 1 second. Helps if you take this up. Just to kind of loosen it and put that back. Actually, let me open it again. Grab your trim tool and start working it over. Golly, it's gonna make funny noise there. Funny noises. Alright, now last part is gonna be this guy here. Okay? Very important. Take this part, go to like the extreme edge and just gently rock it back and forth until that happens on both sides. And then unplug this clip. Alright, now we're almost done with the panel. On the driver's side, you're going to want to take off the same piece that was on the passenger side and then grab from down here and pull. And from down here and pull. And be careful not to break anything. And then come right up here and pull. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Right under the stop switch, there's a screw. Take that guy out. Back on the passenger side, there's a screw here. Forget it. It's this screw right here. Hold, please. That screw right there. And there's a screw right here. There you go. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, so start here and just kind of pull. And then go to the passenger side. Give it a pull behind here. Pull here. And the last clip right there. And here is your stop start button. Right. So obviously you're going to want to unplug it. This pushes down. Push in and then pull out. And now to get the actual button out, you see there's a tab here. And a tab there. What you do is you squeeze them together and push forward. And there's your button. Alright. So grab your new button. Make sure that you get it oriented properly so that to the plug, and then you just slide it up through the hole and until it clicks. You hear those two tabs click. Then you want to plug this in, and now we're going to reassemble. So now it's a matter of reassembly. What you want to do first, grab this guy here and just kind of line him back up. Okay, line him back up. Give him a push in the center. Help him stay on there. Around here, give him a hard push. And then Might have to get on the passenger side for that. There you guys go. Now we're gonna start putting the screws back in. Hopefully you guys can hear me because there's a lot of noise around here. Okay, and I have this drill set on too, so it's not gonna really break anything. So also important, remember this is interior, so you're really not gonna need a lot of power. But if you see, that's not tightening anymore. The clutch reached maximum torque, so it's not tightening anymore. Here you go. So once you hear that, you're good to go. So now we gotta put this panel back up. Just try to line up the top first. That's probably the best advice I could give you. Line up the top first. Come on, baby. What the fuck? Oh, you know what? Hold on. Adjust the steering wheel if you have to. Was that it? Take off all this stuff. There we go. Alright. Get it there, just kind of give it some love taps. Good to go. For this, I like to line these up first. Now you got this piece here. Just slides in. And then something you don't want to forget is the hazard light button. Remember this guy here? This plug. Plug it in. Line it up. And just push. Push. And then you can function check if you like. Alright, now put together these little panels here. These have just, you can see the green clips in the back, you just line them up. And now you want to take this weather stripping and feed it around here. Grab this guy here, you see there's a cutout right there, yeah? That cutout goes right where this mountain type thing is. So there you go, right there. And then you just snap it in. Hold up. Hold on. Oh, because we lost the clip here. 1 second. Just snap this back in here. And now you can. So before you put on those 2 panels on the bottom, you're gonna want to grab this guy here. Start lining it up here. Just give it a little push. Karate chop. Boom. Make sure that the glove box still opens, closes. Now we're gonna put those last panels on. Give me 1 quick second here, guys. Alright, so you got this panel here. This one kind of just lines up very easy. Push, push, push. There's always a clip right around here, so push. I guess it went in already. As far as this guy here, got these 2 tabs here, and then you have 2 little slits right there that those fit into. And then it just gets pushed up. Pushed up. And don't forget your floor mat. Just fit it into the latch and twist. And last but not least, this guy on this side, same as the other side, fits in. Slap, slap. That wasn't there, or wasn't clean. Alright, guys, moment of truth. Hey, the car turned on. Very good. Alright guys, so that's how you replace a stop-start switch on one of these 22 Pilots. Not too bad. Yeah, this one was acting weird, and it had a code. I forget the code because I diagnosed it like a week or two ago. It was a B something, but it says right there, stop-start switch something. Internal failure? Circuit malfunction? Something like that. Anyways, one of those. It was a B code. Body code. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helps you out in some way or another. And yeah, see you next time.